Back in the early 1970s, America didn't care about fuel economy. People wanted one thing: power. They wanted cars that were loud, aggressive, and impossible to ignore. And one car delivered that attitude better than anything else: the Dodge Charger. This wasn't just a car. It was a warning on wheels. Era setup. The early 70s were wild times for American cars. Gas was cheap, rules were loose, and car companies were in a full-on horsepower war. Bigger engines, more torque, more noise. Dodge knew if they wanted to win, they had to build something bold, something intimidating. That's exactly what the Charger was built to be. Design, human observation. Look at a 1970 Dodge Charger. That long hood, that wide stance, those hidden headlights staring straight at you. This car didn't look friendly, and that was the point. When a Charger pulled up next to you, you felt it, even before the engine started. It didn't try to be stylish or elegant. It looked powerful because it was. Engine and feel. And then there was the engine. Big V8 options like the 440 Magnum and the legendary 426 HEMI. This wasn't smooth power. It was violent. Hit the gas, and the car lunged forward like it was angry. Driving a Charger felt like controlling a beast, and Americans absolutely loved that feeling. Culture, relatable. The Charger didn't stay on the streets. It took over movies, TV shows, and racing culture. It became the car of rebels, outlaws, and muscle car fans. Even people who didn't know much about cars knew what a Charger was. That's how deep its impact went. It wasn't just popular. It was iconic. Fall, emotional turn. But every era has an ending. Fuel prices went up. Insurance got expensive. New laws killed big horsepower. By the mid-1970s, cars like the Charger started disappearing. The muscle era was fading. But legends don't disappear that easily. Today, the 1970 Dodge Charger stands for something bigger. A time when cars were built without fear, without filters, without compromises. Loud engines, bold designs, pure attitude. And that's why, even today, the Dodge Charger is still remembered as one of the most feared and respected muscle cars America ever created.